Hi, this is Ask Patrick series. Question by Chirag Goel. The question is now it's a 40-minute DILR section. Is there any tips in terms of how to make a comeback if you face a problem in a DILR section? Look, in a 1 hour paper, it becomes easier to come back in a DILR section because there is ample time to come back. But in a 40-minute section, something goes wrong in DILR, your 10 minutes is gone wasted. I've seen people been wasting 15-20 minutes on one section or one set of a DILR, which is really bad. So I'm assuming that considering it's a 40-minute section, you will be sane enough not to spend 20 minutes on one set. But yes, say I pick up a set and I go wrong in some way. I'm an average person, assuming I'm an average person, 10 minutes I waste on a set. But remember, you still have 30 minutes left for the paper. And at 30 minutes, even if you can solve 2 sets right, I'm sure you should be able to get 85 plus percentile. Last year, 2 sets right was 80 percentile. This time 2 sets right could be much more than 85 or even 90 percentile. I think that is decent enough for you to score really well percentile in the exam. 2 sets right. If you're a person who's really good, I'm sure in that half an hour, you should be able to solve 3 sets or more. And that should ensure that you score 95 plus percentile. So I don't see a problem with having a wrong set selection and wasting some 10 minutes will ruin your paper. A good person can easily come back in 30 minutes what he can do in 40 minutes. In any way, in a normal paper, in a mock or in the exam, they're going to waste questions, waste time in terms of somewhere or the other. I mean, it is bound to happen. Wrong selection is bound to happen in everyone and every question. So consider your time done. Your productive time is normally even less than half an hour. And I'm sure even if you waste 10 minutes on solving a question wrong, it is not going to ruin your paper. As long as you keep a cool mind. That's the most important thing in DILR section. You have to relax, not panic, try to think about it, pick up the easiest set from the remaining question and solve. That's all you have to do. And the moment you can do that, I'm sure you'll be able to do well. Do practice in your mocks that are coming up. You will realize that a cool mind can do wonders in your DILR section, and if you're agitated, it may just ruin your paper. Right? So just relax. The moment you wasted 10 minutes, take 10 more seconds, 15 more seconds, just close your eyes, okay? Breathe, try to meditate, and then go back in the paper and fight it back in the remaining time. And I'm sure you will crack the paper. I hope that helps. Thank you.